Yo, before I actually show the video, I wanted to kind of set it up. So basically, I went to Vegas to hang out with a friend for March Madness, but I also decided to take advantage and hit up a couple of like luxury car places and kind of exchange content for me letting them borrow a Lambo for about an hour. Also though, I had just gotten my DJI FPV drone like 2 weeks before, and I'd played around with it, and I was like, I wonder if this thing could keep up with a Lamborghini. And so I had my friend drive during some of the portions of the video, and I drove the FPV. So that's it. That's pretty much the preface for the video. So without further ado, this is the video.